Hi, you will see the first raining day in Kerman, also Christmas vibes, then driving to a beautiful rural in a rainy day. Also one of the Persian popular food and going to an international book exhibition. Finally showing joy of Iranian people on rainy nights. Let's go to show you. Hi, it's a rainy day in Iran. It's very beautiful. Salam. It's very beautiful, and I wanna cry. It's very beautiful, and I wanna show you the streets, shops, and people. Thanks God. Thanks God. I want to share this beautiful and good positive energy with you. I hope you enjoy it too. I come to a beautiful rural near Kerman. Let's go to show you with a coffee. Let's go driving and show you more about beautiful this rural.
به ما یاد بدیم که برای پخت غذاهای کرمونی چجوری اگه بپذیریم شما دوست داریم، چون ما یه مشکلی که الان داریم با غذاها
Ey Rose,
کمی قرمه حضور بوده.
کنم پورتر پیمون
بله همه یکسان پورتر.
گوشتش کم زیاد.
نه
الان یه دونه براتون کنم. شما پیمونه و دستتون
یه جشن آبانگان یه بار دیگه الان
اسماعیلی
الان رکورد دادم ببینیم برای اتیوپی به ضبط
20 برد 30 برد
This is pate.
اینکه همه چیز با شتاب می‌گذرد